Did you know that 90% of readers trust reviews as much as personal recommendations? Imagine having a flood of authentic reviews on your book page, boosting your credibility and sales without spending a fortune. Today, I'm going to give you 3 proven strategies to get more reviews for your KDP book, all through ethical and frictionless methods. Let's dive right into our first story. Imagine you're an author who's poured your heart and soul into your book, but are struggling to get noticed. This is where our first character, John, comes in. You see, John is a meticulous and passionate author who knew his book had potential but struggled to gain traction on Amazon. John discovered the editorial power boost strategy, which involves collecting editorial reviews from reputable sources such as Kirkus or Reader's Favourite. These reviews are showcased on his Amazon's page. The idea behind this strategy is leveraging established review sources to enhance visibility and credibility. Editorial reviews differ from custom reviews but carry significant weight in influencing perceptions. John's approach was transparent and ethical. He secured reviews from respected platforms like Kirkus, ensuring accurate professional assessments. By following these ethical practices, he maintained the integrity of his book's reviews, presenting genuine evaluations. Here's how John implemented the editorial power boost method. Solicit reviews from established platforms. John reached out to Kirkus and Reader's Favourites, presenting his book for an unbiased critique. Featuring reviews on Amazon page, he promptly displayed these reviews on his Amazon book page, clearly labeling to distinguish them from customer reviews. The actions that you can take as an author are to engage with reputable review platforms, follow ethical practices to secure reviews based solely on your book's merit. Use your Amazon page to showcase your editorial reviews, as this will enhance your book's credibility and appeal. Before we move on to our next story, when you trust me enough, my top link in the description will take you to my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Now, let's talk about another innovative approach. If you're looking for a way to engage readers beyond the pages of your book, Maria's story will inspire you. Maria is an innovative author with a knack for engaging her readers. She used the QR feedback link method. She integrated a QR code within her book that directed readers to exclusive bonus content like behind the scenes insights. At the end of this content, she kindly answered their honest feedback. The idea behind this strategy is to add value by providing readers with exclusive content, engaging them actively, and encouraging constructive dialogue. Maria's approach focused on transparency and voluntary feedback, which meant she compiled with Amazon's review guidelines. For example, the QR code clearly leads to bonus content without any hidden agenda. Readers leave honest feedback voluntarily, aligning with Amazon's guidelines. You see, this strategy enhances reader experiences without compromising review integrity. Also, this method respects Amazon's guidelines, as there are no incentives for reviews, which maintain genuine reader opinions. Here's how Maria implemented the QR feedback link method. Maria developed high quality content that complemented her book. She used a QR code generator to link to a landing page with bonus material. The QR code was strategically placed at the end of the book, and after accessing the bonus content, readers were invited to share their thoughts. The actions you can take from Maria's method is create high quality content that complements your book with additional valuable material. Link readers to this additional valuable material and request their feedback. Ensure readers find the QR code at the right moment. For example, place it at the end of a high engaging chapter or at the end of your book. And finally, clearly state the purpose and nature of the additional material. Let's move on to our final strategy, which makes a reading experience even more engaging and interactive. For those who want to create an unforgettable reading experience that encourages organic reviews, Oliver's approach will show you how. The idea behind this strategy is to create an immersive and interactive experience within the book, fostering a deeper connection with readers and organically encourage reviews. Oliver's approach was built on authentic engagement and voluntary participation. You see, the prompts and activities encourage genuine reader reflection because readers are invited to share their experiences voluntarily. You've established clear communication about the purpose of the prompts and the invitation to leave a review. Here's how Oliver implemented an interactive reader journey strategy. Oliver developed thoughtful prompts related to his book's themes. Then Oliver placed these prompts at significant points within the book. Then, to encourage reflection and sharing, readers were gently nudged to share their thoughts as reviews. Then Oliver created clear, simple on how to leave a review on Amazon. The reason why this worked so well is because he maintained transparency with the reader. Also, this method compiled with Amazon's guidelines of ethical reviews. So the actions you could take from this are to create thoughtful prompts, encourage readers to engage deeply with your content, strategic placement, ensure prompts appear at the key moments in the book, encourage reflection, nudge readers to share their experiences as reviews, clear instructions, make it easy for the readers to leave reviews. So there you have it, 3 proven strategies to get more reviews for your KDP book. Remember, credibility, engagement, and interactivity are key. Whether you choose the editorial power boost, the QR feedback link, or the interactive reader journey as your strategy, each method provides a unique and ethical way to encourage reviews. So to recap the key points, the editorial power boost leverages credibility for your book. The QR feedback link engages readers with additional material and requests feedback. The interactive reader journey creates an interactive reading experience to encourage reviews. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies that are designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. So what unique strategy have you used to get reviews for your book? Share experiences in comments below. Until next time.